Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will take a look at Notion AI. So it's essentially an AI that is built inside Notion. So if you're already familiar with Notion, then we can go ahead and use AI to make it even better. But if you've never used Notion as well, and we're also quite interested in Notion AI, then this tutorial still works for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we will do is we will create our Notion account, and in our Notion account we can use AI for a limited set of time. So let's go ahead and click get started. So we can either sign up using our own email, or you can continue with Google or with Apple as well. All right, so once that we have logged in, it will ask us a little bit of information about us. So I'll just choose which one is relevant to you. And here we are. So we now have our account. So as you can see here, we have some multiple pages that we can take a look at. It's created some pages for us as well that we can use. And of course, we have the getting started as well. So as you can see here, to use AI or to use Notion AI, we can press space or a / for commands. So if I press space, as you can see here, we are directly connecting to Notion AI. So we can ask Notion AI to continue writing. So of course we'll need to create a prompt for that. We can summarize whatever is inside our page, find action items, you can translate and explain this as well. And then we have things for editing the page, and then things for drafting as well. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I want AI to create a story. There you go. So write a creative story about a cow who learned to fly. Entering, and here we are. So as you can see, we have our heading, and then we have our output already. So it's managed to generate this really quickly, really simple. And then at the bottom, as you can see, it will ask, is the AI done? Do you want to continue writing? Do you want to make it longer? Do you want to try again? And then there is this warning message, so AI responses can be inaccurate or misleading, so be careful with that as well. So let's say I want to make this longer, so let's go ahead and click this. And now it will try to make the story a little bit longer. And here we are. So we can just say, okay, we're done with this, thank you very much. Here we are. So now, just like that, we have our first AI prompt. Now let's say I want to adjust this a bit more. So let's go ahead and select this, and then we can ask AI to either make it longer, make it shorter, simplify language, change tone. I want to make it sound more professional. Here we go. So now, as you can see, it will create this at the bottom. So now this tone sounds a little bit more professional. So we can go ahead and either replace the selection or insert below. So let's just replace. Here we are. So again, super quick, super simple. We've managed to generate all of this. What else can Notion AI do? So let's go ahead and open up Notion AI again. So I'll hit space. So we can also ask, for an essay. Let's say write an essay about Notion AI. So there you go. So it becomes an essay, gives you some subheadings as well, and then some conclusion as well. So again, so super quick, super simple. We can also ask for a translation. So we can ask AI and then change this to Korean. There you go. Then replace selection. So as you can see it now, this is being written in Korean. So again, the more that we use Notion, the more it will learn about you, the more it will learn about your styles and all of that. What else can we do? Say for example, we want to create a summary of what is inside this page itself. We can ask Notion to do so. So let's say summary here. So let's ask it to summarize the page, summarize this page with AI. So let's go ahead and generate so that whoever wants to read doesn't have to read the entire content, but it just gives you a summary of what's in here. So it includes 3 sections. So basic tips for Notion. So this one tells the story of accounting bestie. So that's the creative story one, and then the other one discusses about Notion AI, which is here at the bottom. Now let's say we have a paragraph here, something to do with learning software engineering, but we want to create some action steps into this, so we can go ahead and ask. So what we will do is we will highlight this and then ask AI. Then we go down and then click on find action items. So as you can see here, it's changed everything into an action items itself. So let's go ahead and insert below. And yeah, there you go. So I've shown you some samples of what you can use with Notion AI. As I've mentioned, the more information that you give with Notion AI, the easier it becomes. And also, it is an AI bot living inside all of your documents, all of your wikis. And this will help you to improve your productivity and also improve your collaboration with others. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.